चालू है सबका।
So let's call the first person. Can you guess who that person is? Let me give you a hint, then you can try to think. That person is. Hi guys, welcome back to my. That is. And this person is. I think is. Many people call him Bhaiya.
सरदार जी पटेल।
Okay, let me share. Once I shared that this person should try modeling sometime. And that's Bimal. Yes. Seems like I'm getting the certificate from my school. That is why I always carry the certificate to show that see I am.
Thank you for this and this great opportunity. This is my second time in FBA and I am very grateful for this entire journey and I am very grateful for being here because when I rejoined I thought many things. I can't share everything because I little bit confused what is the next in the entire journey. I am very nervous that time. I was very nervous that time and I rejoined and I met with you beautiful people and those who always helps me and our trainer is also very helpful and supportive and I learned many things. One thing I want to share with you that is Pinky's observation skill. I want to learn from him because this is very important for me to understand my students what mentality they have. I can understand and I can provide their better option and better knowledge to their understanding. That is very helpful to me. Thank you.
Okay. Now the next person is.
Yes.
Actually, you call this person with so many names, and maybe one of the jolliest person. Wherever he sits, people laugh around. And I'm like, who is the reason? Krishnakant is the source.
Go कृष्णकांत।
Who is the time first? Good. Now you look like Krishna. School boy. Yes. Would you like to say something you did not get the chance that day? Can you make people laugh?
What you were saying with me? What you were saying with me?
In the starting when I the very first day, I met with Lokesh. So at that time Lokesh was telling me what will happen more good and something like that. But I told to Lokesh that no, after 10 to 15 days and at the last day of our training, I will definitely show that we will miss our training. So I am like an astrologer through the free time. So I enjoyed a lot of the training. I was a part of the another training at another organization, but I didn't enjoy it. Here I enjoyed a lot, really. And there are all very much.
Okay. Now this person, I'm not sure, but in these 30 days, 32 days, this person has hardly spoken 3 to 4 times.
Yeah.
Yes. So it is
Like to thank Pinky that I have never seen a teacher like her because I never went to school after my intermediate. Never went to college. After my intermediate, I started my job and just struggling. And I never seen like any teacher can teach like this with love and so without threatening or beating someone. And I hope this certificate and this experience will give a path to me for success.
Yes, it will.
Thank you. This person is. So whenever this person speaks or conducts the class, even if you are feeling very tired, you feel energetic.
Yeah.
Yes, it's power.
Okay, first I want to say you all thank you. Thank you so much.
Love you, sir. Yeah.
When the person who got the certificate, they are speaking something here, and I was thinking what I should speak there because I don't have any words to explain my 32 days journey here.
This is what I was talking about. When you don't do anything, say
I don't
But
have words.
in that case, I meet here everyone, you all. I give like you all the time, like sometime I will Monu, Subra, and sometimes means make a few minutes. I talk with everybody in this training, and I think I able to make a positive bond with you all. And thank you so much.
I don't have words for this person.
Oh, wow.
But I think very influential personality, and I feel that there's no boundary for success for this person.
Wow.
When the person reaches one milestone, there's another whole journey. So let's welcome Damini here.
So let's start with Pinky. That I had never seen a girl, this much diligent girl. Earlier, I thought that she does not speak that much, and she is not emotional maybe. But now on day of 32, I learned that she wears her heart on her sleeves. And for you all, people may come and go, but your place will be there only for always and for rest of my life.
Actually, the bhaiya of the session.
Mahendra Bhaiya.
So they like MS Dhoni, right? They like MS Dhoni.
Yes, one song.
Let him first share the experience.
Okay. I write something. Not like that, but some thoughts about our journey. So good morning everyone. Good morning. I can take it in my hand, so I can describe all the things. Yes. As our journey in this batch comes to an end, I feel proud and little emotional
We came here as a stranger, but today we're living as a family of learners. Together we laughed at silly mistakes, struggles with tricky lessons, and celebrated very small success. When we passed in our first IR, some were very emotional and some were laughing. That time, we enjoyed that time. To my classmates, you have been my teammates, cheerleaders and partners. Sometimes I don't know how I involve in that. Sometimes partners in crime, like her. And to my favorite person, yes, he is none other than Pinky. I write some only one line for her. Your teachings have shaped my future, and your kindness has touched my heart. Yes, thank you so very much for your teaching and for your all the learning which you give all of us. And you, for you all, I am just you can connect yourself with them. खुशियों के महलों में बैठो, कोई गम न तुम्हारे पास आए, रब हंसता हुआ रखे तुमको हंसने के आदी हो.
Introduction as a teacher. This person's aura itself says
Anjali.
this person is a teacher.
Anjali.
And that's Anjali.
First of all, I want to tell that on the first day I was very emotional because when I came here, me and I and Prachi, we both were crying on the first day. Yes, on the first day. But later,
Today is when you'll be crying.
just maybe. So after 1 or 2 or 3 days, we had enjoyed here, and you all are very supportive and helpful. So thank you so much, everyone. And Pinky, you are so kind and polite. Thank you so much.
If I just say a word, you'll be able to understand who I'm talking about. Mother.
Sorry for that. I love it so much. It was very special to me. When I came here first time, I was very nervous. I was crying badly because I was thinking that how I would survive here without my mother. That was a very critical situation for me. But now you all are my friends, and I'm very happy, and I will also cry today also. So thank you so much for everything.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now this person. So there's something very good about this person. That whenever I share something, let's say the person did something wrong and I just had to share once, that they think it is good or this is not good. From the next time, I never saw that person doing the same. It means a very quick learner, a very receptive and respectful. Rakesh.
Yes, Lokesh.
So, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
When I came here, actually this is my very first job when I will do. And I never ever went too far from my family. It is my first time to live far away these many days. And I never feel that I am living from my family's far deadline because you were all there, and I never feel that I am living far from my family. And if I will like to talk on this thing.
If I have to talk about
Okay, so on the very first day when she came, when we were waiting and we were thinking she might come late or something like that, but then she entered on time, and we should learn from her how to manage the punctuality and many more things. from the industry, we learn many things from her, and that's all. Thanks.
This person is another source of happiness in the training room. After Krishnakant, I guess. Sachin. How do you know?
It's Sachin.
Yes,
Excellent, Sachin.
It is that.
So, excellent, Sachin. Let's listen to his excellent speech now.
Yes.
Yes, Sachin.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Share that. You can ask questions.
How do you feel right now?
This feeling was excellent when I
Excellent.
hold that certificate. Earlier this certificate was not there when I was graduate from that earlier training. Second.
Are you sad or happy?
Now I
Happily sad.
Happily sad.
More questions?
Yesterday you were
How was your journey?
Ancient, standing and that training.
That training was very unique training because the trainer was not there at that time. The trainers went to Mathura and rented that property. We came to that property every day from our house, get training, get food, back to our home. So there were around 25 people around that day. Out of 25, only 11 people were selected. All were from Mathura only. So that was third batch of ruler. First was Mewat, second was Agra, and third was Mathura. From that batch. This was not there.
So, who is the best person you met here? No, not in the training, in the whole campus. You can talk about it.
So in the whole campus, there are many people who already know me because I work earlier as well. There are many trainers, there are many TMs, there are many facilitators also who came here for training.
You are beating about the bush. You are not coming on the point. Best person.
Just come on the point. Yes, Sachin.
That person also I know. Yes.
What is your feeling regarding the restart?
I did not think or expect that I will be joined again when I was resigned. I resigned due to my personal reasons. My mother health was not good at that time. So I was working in Jhansi as an area manager at that time when I resigned because the distance was too far and it takes 6 hours to journey from there. So that's why I resigned. Now there is something, there is another reason for joining the FBA.
We know. There is no need to share. Yes. It is personal.
Because we are family.
Yes.
So I think that how will I survive in that training hall because the things I already know and the level did not match. So how did I survive? How did I spend my 20 days here?
But
But
you spent-
the experience was really good. I meet you all have a unique personality and different also. I learn from you everything, from one of you, one new things.
Yes.
Sorry I did not spend much time.
We know.
We know the reason.
I believe that you can understand.
Yes. We are very understanding.
I will be so hard someone for my actions because I did not think before speaking or do anything. So this is my habit.
You are on the right path. Yeah.
Smile, Aditya. It is not your real smile.
Can you act like Nana Patekar? Okay.
Start your speech.
Your experience with us.
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. So, I think over there, कहाँ से start करूँ?
Speak like this thing.
Please start with that dialogue.
Okay.
No. No.
आगे मेरी बहुत धन्यवाद।
But you can change it. Instead of more, it can be success.
आगे firstly, I thank you for Vicky and for everyone. And in training campus, first day when I come here, in my batch 6 members, and all are in induction. I think is
Make eye contact.
so at that time only I will be here. All are left at induction.
Others have left.
And I meet some people at my dormitory. All are telling that Pinky is very strict trainer.
Yes, we also. Yes.
But after when I spent 14 or 15 days, then I realized Pinky is not.
It is really strict.
No, she is not strict. And she is only a punctual. She is not strict. From outside she looks professional, but cool at results. I observe that. I monitor that things. And here I meet first Vimal and Vimal. First Vimal and I. One of them is my best friend.
Excuse me, what about Chotu?
And
Can you please hear?
Okay, please share.
I have no word to express to you.
That's you're trying to save yourself.
And thank you all of you, and thank you Chotu also.
Yes, we
No, I'm not Chotu.
Then
He looks similar. So sister, brother.
Thank you all.
Okay. This person is the sweetest among the sweetest. And
Sweetest.
very
Varsha.
Varsha. That's Varsha.
Trainer and mentor for me. I want to thank every one of you for being very kind and nice to me. While coming from home, I fought with my parents that I want to go, but they were like, you will not fit in, it's not good, don't go out. I was crying in the train, regretting why did I came, maybe they are right, I left my family, but literally I know I got second family here. And I appreciate every one of you a lot. And thank you so much.
Again, I'm out of my words. I think this person is very wise. The person knows how to express and how to impress as well. And I feel this person is going to be a great teacher in future. Though the person does not speak much in the class, that is why we may not know a lot about that
Nitin.
person.
Nitin.
But yes, a marvelous personality.
Yes.
Appreciate your experience.
So, hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Thank you all of you. And also I you have read my journey very well. And let's go in first person. Indeed, you have had many valuable things, important things in my life. And you also adopted many good things from all of you. And I will apply in my life. Okay? And I'm going to give some best wishes For your welcome.
Now I would like to invite this person who speaks so well all the time, and this person has a lot of skills to share with you all. But Krishna Thakur. Okay, I think you are not getting not getting who this person is. You should know. Yeah, that's Suraj Kumar. So he forgets to read sometimes. Please read out here.
If I talk about
Please invite him.
Yes.
yeah. Yeah.
Suraj,
If I talk about
like this? No, this question. He's changing your style.
Like this.
Suraj, start with.
if I talk about okay, sir.
Without pauses.
Yes. If I talk about my first day, so I came with one person. His name is Ajay. But right now, after one day, he got in different session because he got the name of trainer. So I thought that he will be one training, but he is in different training. But after that, I met you in first day. So I thought that now I will become. I can make many friends there also. So there are, I don't think so. There are no friends. I can say that all are you my friend.
Yes.
There is nothing to say. But in life, I want to say that in life we have ups and downs. In our life, it's all about ups and downs. In a journey, we met many people. We met many people, but we can't attach and we can't keep that person in our life, whole life. So it is a journey of people also. We are met, we leave, we find another one, and like this, so we are making friends. I have also lots of friends like this. So, and like I got when I saw, so I remembered one teacher. Her name is Madhu Walana. So in a first class I was there, so she supported me a lot. But in 6th class when I changed my school, so after that it was like everything is spoiled. Like from 6th class I didn't read anything. From 6th class till now in college I also did not study. At that time she was.
You haven't studied from 6th.
Yes.
Did you take admission in school?
Yes, I could. But I did not yes.
You did not study.
Yes.
Did you study here at least?
Like it.
Very jolly, very emotional, very kind, and a great poet. I wish I see her on a greater Sakshi.
I was just preparing my one poem. That's why I took this part. But okay, fine. So this journey was amazing. I will meet many people in the life, but you all are very amazing. Means if my life is a food, you all are my spice. If my life is a canvas, so you all are a paint. You all have made a very good picture in my mind. If my life is a book, then you all are a chapter. Because you all have a different kind of personality in my heart. You can say that if I will meet many people in my life, but I can't forget you all. You all are my family. Some of you are the bestest person. Like Yashri.
Thank you so much.
And Pinky is
Yes, you can talk about that.
you are great personality. Before coming here, I thought that only I can teach anyone by beating. Because I was a very strict teacher. I haven't remembered anyone whom I never beat. I was very strict personality. But you taught me how to teach with politeness. Like,
Smile.
yes, the
Now share your experience.
Today I would like to share something. My youngest sister's name is also Prakriti. And that name was somehow given by me. So I'm very much attached with this name. The way you said nature's turn, she also says something like this. Like whenever we say something, she is like, everything is made by Prakriti. Nothing can harm Prakriti. But if you harm Prakriti, then see what will happen. She's like this. She keeps on saying something like this.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank you.
Please be loved.
First of all, I would like to thank Pinky. Thank you so much. And thank you to all of you. I will miss you a lot. And I learn a lot of things here and Pinky side also. And I enjoy this journey. I will miss you. And when I came here, I cry a lot. But today I really don't want to go home. Yes, I miss Pawan sir. Also, they both are a very good person, and I am very comfortable with him. And thank you so much. Yes, Pinky, start.
So I heard a story a long back. The story says
No,
that if there is a student who is able to, just because of our teacher's guidance, if the person is already getting, let's say, 70 marks, okay, and with your guidance as a teacher, if the student starts getting 75 or 80 marks, you are fine with teaching. But there is a student who gets 30 and with your guidance getting
Mohan.
60. It is much more valuable.
Mohan.
First listen to the story. So it is much more valuable than teaching somebody or helping somebody who is already good. So Mohan made me feel that yes, if there is a right direction, the student can do amazing.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mohan. How does he act, Krishnakanth? Okay.
This is a sudden gesture to bloom your room now.
Sorry, what?
Nothing.
Not in campus.
Did you say? Okay, not the campus. Yes.
Okay. And because do not worry about the movie sessions and now if when you want to sleep and go your home and your rooms also and go and sleep. Till to your working time. And now I am very happy to get this certificate. This is not like the only certificate for my 12th, like a graduation also. This is a hard work of my 32 days, like the discipline. We are in the discipline like the morning to the evening, and in the night take. First you go and wash your face and go to the
Movie
super
set.
class like the, and again in the go and take your walk and go and then please come here, and this is a whole journey of this. This is a hard work that I am engaged, and thank you for all. I have already shared yesterday my opinions. We are of like the 1 June, we are of the not a, like the only friend. We have a different personality, but in this platform we are only in the like the we have a different personality. In this there is a lot of like a family. We are belongs to the one family like this. And thank you for all. This is my all words.
Now this person is another gem for a PA who doesn't worry much about the results, but the person believes in doing the work. In Zaman Khan.
Oh, wow.
And what about this one?
It is done. Then please. Please share your opinion.
I can actually not anything else. Okay. So very good morning to all of you.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
This means if people are listening. Okay, very good afternoon to all of you. You know about this symbol of 342 which is created by Aditya. Let me. Sometimes this symbol becomes
Yes, this one.
sometimes this symbol become 342, sometimes this symbol become 380, you know. So these all are just the elements of our journey. And what I believe that your journey should be more beautiful than the achievement which you are going to have today. And the journey which we are going to start, that certificate is going to start. And the journey which we have done in 32 days, it is, you know, the most beautiful part of my life with you all. Because coming from different states, coming from different cities, being at one place and being in a diverse place to learn, to grow, it's really, the words cannot define. And to Pinky, I was just listening that time to Pinky, you know that God is very small. Because what she did, we grew ourselves, what she did, you know, by following these parameters, where we were struggling a lot. And especially for me, the voice modulation and the rate of speech, you know. So I don't know now how is it, but I'm just practicing to make it lower. Like I can control my speech, I can take pauses, and that in the starting I speak in a very fluency. I don't know why, because of practicing FBA and all. The first day when I came and when I saw Pinky, and when she was, you know, acting like a student, that ma'am, the English is very good, I'm not understanding.
Yes, yes.
So it was something which my facilitator usually do. Whenever we, you know, present any topic, so she sit with us and she used to act like a student. So I believe that and I felt that she is like her. And I never feel, you know, afraid that there will be a new trainer and he is going to, how she is going to conduct what he is going to conduct. I feel that my facilitator is teaching to me, as like my facilitator was teaching at my branch. So I was just taking all the feedbacks, and whenever she give feedback, I just write. I never said anything that why this feedback is, why you are giving this feedback to me. Because I know what is what I done not good. I don't know, because the person who is observing me, he knows more better than me.
Yes.
So that's what we are learning here, and I really thank you to all of you because sitting with the AM, sitting with the ex-facilitators, it was very, you know, uncomfortable when I listen that one AM is sitting between us, but Amit has shared. One ex-facilitator is sitting with us, like Vimal, Pawan and Tangsri, Bhagesri actually. Okay, sorry. So this was the thing, but day by day when we meet in dining area, we just start having food together, we just start conversating and enjoy learning, growing and all, and taking mind map. We usually make mind map here only. We never make any mind map in our dormitory.
Yes.
Yes.
That is the thing. And then,
I thought like I'm giving you homework. You read the class?
each and every mind map, either in dining area or in training room. In dormitory, we were just sleeping. And you know, in IR first, the day before the IR, what we were doing, just having fun in the dining area till 10 o'clock. And we went back and we just slept and we woke up and we went to the IR. And in bus also we were enjoying. And the Sachin was, yes. And the Sachin was, you know, shouting with us, please stop shouting because you were on call. So somehow we never prepared for the IR, not this Sachin.
I thought he's busy there.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for everybody. And in the last, I would like to only say, if you feel bad from my side, if I have spoken anything, so I'm sorry for that.
Who is running the entire world? Krishna, please come.
So I'm Krishna Kanaya and I'm running the entire world. Please clap everyone. Okay. I have two shayaris, one for Pinky and one for all of you.
Okay.
So first one for all of you. Yes.
It's in English, right?
Yeah. Hindi. And Gustaki maaf. Okay. आप सबको भूल कर बिना भूल पाएंगे हम, बस यही एक वादा निभा पाएंगे। आप सबको भूल कर बिना भूल पाएंगे हम, बस यही एक वादा निभा पाएंगे हम। सब कुछ मिट जाए इस जहां से, लेकिन आप सबका नाम इस दिल से ना मिटा पाएंगे। And I have written one शायरी for Pinky. हमारा जीवन तो कांटों से भरा है, आप तो फूलों के खरीदार नजर आते हैं। हमारा जीवन तो कांटों से भरा है, आप तो फूलों के खरीदार नजर आते हैं। जीवन में बहुत सारे शिक्षक मिले, पर सबसे अच्छे आप नजर आते हैं। Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And I'm still processing the first line. And I understand
And what will I say? I'm getting emotional because we all are going to leave this campus.
Don't be emotional.
And some of us are leaving today only, and some of us are going to leave tomorrow. And thank you all. Thank you so much.